The USB Type-C port is quickly becoming a universal, including the top Android phones. If your device has a Type-C port, you need a USB-C cable to charge it or transfer data. So, let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. Cable Matters 10 gigabits per second USB-C to USB-C cable. The Cable Matters USB-C to USB-C cable shines on multiple fronts. You can use it to charge your devices, transfer data between them quickly, or output video to a compatible display. And it does all of these things very well. This is possible because the cable supports up to 100 W power delivery. It's USB-IF certified, so you know you are getting everything the company claims. It is also backward compatible. Additionally, the cable uses a durable rubberized thermoplastic elastomer, TPE jacket, and copper conductors. Number 2. Anker 643 USB-C to USB-C cable. Anker's premium 643 USB-C to USB-C cable focuses on not only function but also look and feel. So unlike the typical black USB cables, it's available in 7 exciting colors. The cable also uses silicone material to make it soft to touch, and the interior graphene coating adds to its flexibility. In terms of function, it supports up to 100 W power delivery and USB 2.0 data transfer speeds. So it's most suitable for charging. Plus, the company includes a silicone tie for tangle-free storage. Number 3. Ainope 60W USB-C to USB-C right-angle cable. This Ainope USB-C cable pack offers excellent value for $10. You get two 6.6 feet USB-C to USB-C cables, each capable of delivering up to 60 W power, enough to fast charge most smartphones and tablets. You can also charge many laptops quickly using the cable. One of the highlights of the Ainope cable is the right-angle connector on one end that will come in handy while gaming on your phone, as it keeps the cable out of the way. But unfortunately, it's not the best cable for data transfers, as it only supports USB 2.0 speeds. Number 4. Ugreen 90-degree USB-A to USB-C cable. 90-degree or right-angle cables are very useful in narrow spaces or when you want to use your mobile device while charging. If you are looking for a USB-A to USB-C cable with 90-degree connectors on each end, this Ugreen cable is a reliable option. You aren't getting a high-speed cable for charging or data transfer, but the 90-degree ports are its main highlight. You can buy the Ugreen cable in multiple sizes from 1.5 feet to 10 feet. Number 5. CableCreation short USB-C cable. There are instances when a shorter cable is more suitable than a longer one. For such cases, we recommend picking up the CableCreation short USB-C cable. It's available in lengths as low as 0.5 feet to 1.6 feet. In addition, it comes with a USB-A port on one end and a Type-C port on the other, so you can use it with most power banks. It can deliver up to 60 W of power. But when you use it to transfer data, you'll only get USB 2.0 speeds, which means it's not ideal for external SSDs or HDDs. The cable uses cotton braiding for durability, and you can buy it in 5 exciting colors. Number 6. Baseus fast-charging USB-C to USB-C cable. Affordable, durable, and fast charge capable are the best ways to describe Baseus USB-C to USB-C cable. It's great for charging your phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices that accept power over USB cables. The cable supports up to 100 W of power delivery so that you can fast charge most of your devices. The Baseus cable also has nylon braiding for durability, and the company claims it will last over 10 years. You get a strap for cable management, which will come in handy for storage. Best of all, you receive 2 USB-C to USB-C cables in one pack. The data transfer speeds are limited to USB 2.0. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share.